Welcome to Baylor St. Luke's Medical Center at the McNair campus. Here we're going to show you our twin medical tower, and we're going to show you endoscopy and the procedures that happen here within this facility. Thank you.
An endoscopy is a procedure done to examine structures inside your body up close. During an endoscopy, a healthcare provider places a long, thin tube called an endoscope inside your body until it reaches the organ or area that they need to check. These are common procedures that are done in the endoscopy suite.
This is endoscopy pre-op. So once the patient's been registered, they come into the pre-op room. Here at McNair, we have wall-mounted computers for pre-op, and this is where the nurse will start her documentation. She will start outlining the procedure. They'll do all the pre-op mags, and then the patient will be prepped for the procedure. This is the endoscopy procedure room. Right here we have our Pyxis anesthesia cart where all the medications are given. We have our anesthesia cart where our anesthesiologist will take care of the patient during the procedure. This is all interfaced together with the vital signs system. We have a WOW cart available for nursing to use Epic OpTime if needed. And then from here, when the procedure is done, they will go to post-op, and during the procedure, our physician will be using Epic Lumen to document the case. This is our physician post-procedure dictation center, where physicians and or other clinical staff can come and complete their documentation on one of the workstations. This is our endoscopy recovery room. So when the patients are done with the procedure, they'll roll into here. Their vital signs will be monitored. We'll be using Epic again, OpTime here, to do any post-documentation and final medication administration before the patient's released to go home. This is one of the endoscopy nursing stations. From this place right here, the nurses can monitor all the different patients and their vital signs in post-op. They can do Epic OpTime documentation, and they can manage all the different things that they would need to do to help the patient be completed with the procedure and on their way home.
When I had my colonoscopy, I had a question on my mind. Do we all look the same when the doctor sees us from behind? Then I had the answer. I felt like such a fool, 'cause the doctor smiled and said to me, "Your colon's really cool. My colon's really cool." What a nice surprise. He sees a lot of colons, but my colon took the prize. Then he added something that was even more divine. We found a polyp hiding Peter, but we caught it just in time. He found a polyp hiding. Don't mean to sound so crass, but the polyp was discovered by a camera up. My mother and my father spoke to me that very day. They said, "My son, it seems you've won the polyp prize. Hooray, hooray, hooray." Now the camera that they used is not like the ones on movie lots. It's a camera that is tiny, and it takes interior shots. It's a camera that is groovy. It can twist and turn and bend to film your colon story and ensure a happy end. So, listen to me closely, for this is not a lie. Colon cancer can be beaten if you are not camera shy. Call your doctor swiftly, no ifs or ands or buts. Schedule your colonoscopy, I know you've got the guts. My colon's really cool, and what a nice surprise. My doctor sees a lot of colons, but mine took the prize. Mine took the prize, my friends. Mine took the prize. My colon's really groovy, so my colon took first prize.